The Mackenzie Immigration has been in the immigration consultancy business for more than 10 years. We are a duly licensed land-based immigration consultancy firm based in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and is an accredited member of the CICC, or the College of Immigration and Citizenship Consultants. Established in 2010, the Mackenzie Immigration is strategically located in the heart of Toronto, easily accessible by applicants. Since then, the Mackenzie Immigration has brought more than 10,000 plus students, 12,000 plus foreign workers, and more than 1,000 families into Canada. The Mackenzie Immigration Inc. is an immigration and visa application consulting company created to cater all aspiring international students and workers globally to start or continue their life in Canada. We are focused in assisting young, well-educated and skillful clients worldwide. Our headquarters is located in Toronto, Canada, with 3 sub-branches in mainland China, continually growing and expanding throughout the years. Our programs include, but not limited to, caregiver programs, express entry, LMIA, family sponsorship, Quebec immigration, visitor visa, provincial nomination programs, PR extension, citizenship application, other student services in Canada.